Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make this cute little bow from the new Pixar's animated short out of polymer clay. So first I'm going to take a ball of white clay and I'm going to slightly flatten it. Next I'm going to pinch a little point at the top. Then using my blade, I'm going to make 5 etch marks, and they're going to be placed at a slant, and they'll all be originating from the little pointed tip. Next for the body, I'm going to take the same white clay and I'm going to roll it into a fat cylinder, and I'm going to cut off the little end. And I'm attaching it to the head of my little bow. For the arms, we're going to take some white clay and we're going to roll it into a long teardrop shape, and we're going to cut off the little end of the teardrop. And I'm attaching it to the body and letting it kind of rest on the head so it looks like it's raising its arms up. For the legs, we're going to roll the white clay into a fat cylinder and cut off the end. And place those underneath the arms. For the nose, we're going to place a little oval of clay in the middle. And we're going to place 2 little slants on the bottom of the nose for the nostrils. And we're going to take our blade and make 2 long slits along the side of the nose for the eyes. And using a dotting tool, I'm going to make an ovular indent underneath the nose. And filling it with some brown clay and using my dotting tool to kind of spread it around the mouth. Then you're ready to bake according to instructions, and you should have your little bow that looks like this. And I went ahead and gave it a layer of glaze, but you can leave it kind of this matte pattern, and also you can use some brown paint to paint in the little details of the eyes of the nose to make it a little bit more accented and defined, but I left it as is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like the preview for the Bow Pixar short. I can't wait to see the full version. And fun fact, did you know this is the first Disney Pixar short to be directed by an Asian American woman? That's a pretty awesome milestone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what else you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you!